First, we're going to remove the stoppers on each side of the new scrubber. Notice that this scrubber has no blue particles in it, none whatsoever. Next, we're going to remove this end of the plumbing going into your current scrubber. It just twists off. Next, we're going to twist the body of the scrubber and hold the fitting on the other side still. Once we've turned it, it should release. We'll pull it out of the fixture. This is the one you will return to Defiant with the blue particles. The new one we shipped you is installed thusly. We insert the end, twist it to secure it, press it down into its holder, and then reinstall the other end. Both ends should fit securely. It is now complete.